From Syngenta Seedcare and the Seedcare Institute, the Pro Blend. The Pro Blend is a revolutionary new mixing component to mix totes effectively using air from Micro Matic and Syngenta. The concept of the Pro Blend is that it uses air to push a large bubble through to mix the product. It's very simple to hook up to any of the packaging for the Syngenta products because it has a Micro Matic fitting. So you can also see the 3 prongs on it and how you'd attach it to the tote. Once you have it hooked up, all you need is an air source for mixing.